Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Aurangabad location. It is from Maharashtra. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for this job roles mentioned in this video. If you are interested to apply for this job roles, you can easily apply from there. Let's get into the video without any delay. Firstly, there is a job opening for the service analyst. It is from JL Technologies. For this job portion, the qualifications will include all these ones like you should be a graduate of business or IT related course, information technology or computer science, and you should have 1 to 3 years of experience in software field or in a similar role, and you should be experienced help desk service delivery professional, and you should have advanced Excel skills, experience in database administration, experience in working with global teams, and you must have client facing experience with a focus on exceeding client expectations. And finally, you should have strong communication skills. These are some qualifications I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the logistics manager. It is from Siemens Energy. For this position, you should have qualifications like you should have bachelor's degree in supply chain management, logistics, business administration, or any field related to logistics management, and you should have several years of professional experience, and it is also required as it can be a crucial advantage, and you should have 10 years plus experience in logistics and demonstrated understanding of electrical or automobile or project industry, and you should be able to manage time effectively, proficient in MS Office, SAP and inventory management software, and you should have ability to handle multiple projects and also work independently, and you should have excellent analytical problem solving, self management and organizational skills. These are some qualifications I have included here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the marketing manager. It is from 90 plus my tuition app. For this job position, the responsibilities like lead generation, conduct and coordinate BTL activities, conducting institutional meetings, maintaining a good relationship with institutions. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. For more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the Senior Digital Technology Services Manager. It is from JLL. And for this job position, the requirements you should have 7 to 10 years of experience in technology implementation environment, and you should have 3 years plus experience in managing technology team, deep knowledge of data warehousing, BI tools, ETLS is a must, and you should have deep understanding of corporate real estate is a must, and you should have knowledge of data governance methodology, and proven record of successfully delivering technology transformation is an asset. These are some requirements for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the web designer and developer. It is from iWebGraph. For this job position, the qualifications will include all these ones like it should be proficient understanding of HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, JavaScript and jQuery, and you should have experience of WordPress CMS and other CMS, and you should have skills in PSD or XD or Figma to HTML and React.js and AngularJS. These are not mandatory. Interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job role, you can please check in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for the boiler attendant. It is from Vinayak Georgetti Agro Limited. For this job position, the education like ITI or diploma or certification as boiler attendant is required, and you should have minimum 3 years of experience as a boiler attendant at Jajari plant or any similar plant. And here one note also given here, like the candidate of Marathwada or Aurangabad based on top priority, and they are hiring urgently, like there are 2 vacancies are available. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the mobile application developer, and it is from Dreams Creation Advertising Private Limited. For this job portion, you should have 2 years of experience, or else freshers also can apply. And you should have skills like Flutter, Oops, JSON, and consuming web APIs, location-based service, and Sclip database. These are some skills required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the backend developer. It is from APLS web development. For this job position, the qualifications will include like bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in computer science, and you have at least 1 year of experience as backend developer using PHP, and ability to multitask, organize, and prioritize work, and highly proficient with PHP or Composer and RESTful APIs. These are some qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the Business Development Manager Health Insurance. It is from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. For this position, the job responsibilities will include all these ones, like business development and execution, formulate sales execution on ground for driving health business in alignment with overall business strategy for the vertical, considering the prevailing market conditions to ensure achievement of defined targets or revenue or profit. And some more responsibilities are also mentioned here. You can please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the Senior Fin Operations Specialist Accounts Payable. It is from ACA Careers. For this position, the basic qualifications will include like you should have bachelor's degree in a relevant field such as accounting, computer science, operations and business, mathematics or finance, and you should have 5 years plus experience of finance, audit, fraud investigation or related experience, and you should have excellent interpersonal skills with the ability to communicate complex issues clearly to both internal and external customers, and you should have 2 years plus experience using data querying large data sets using SQL or Python, and some more details are also mentioned here, and you please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information you please check in the description box for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.